Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making beef stroganoff with a twist. Let me show you how I do it. Here is the list of what I needed. I need some beef stock, some Worcestershire sauce, butter, grated garlic, salt and pepper, diced onion, heavy cream, Dijon mustard, sour cream, some mushroom, parsley, and the twist of this dish is the shaved beef since my family does not like beef steak. So here I have a hot pan with some oil. I'm going to add my beef. I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. The goal here is to get this meat brown and shred it to pieces, to smaller pieces. Just like so. Once that happens, I'm going to remove the beef from the pan. I'm going to add some butter, my mushrooms. I'm going to let this go for a little bit. And then I will add my diced onions. I am going to let both of those get translucent and get some nice color on the mushroom. I will throw in my garlic now. I throw the garlic last so it doesn't get burned. I'm going to just go for a little bit more. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add my beef broth. Then I added my Dijon mustard. I give that a good mix. I toss the beef back in there. Then comes my heavy cream. I'm going to give that a mix. Next is my sour cream. Make sure everything is well combined. At this point, you can adjust your seasoning. If you need a little bit more salt, you can add some. And also, if you want this thicker, you can add some cornstarch water to make it a little bit thicker. Now at this point, I'm going to throw in my parsley. Gonna let that go for a minute or two. I had mine with a little bit of rice, and it was delicious and easy and quick. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe.